Hidden inside one of the most famous dams on Earth runs a secret network of tunnels, galleries threading through the concrete. Welcome to genius engineering of the Hoover Dam. The chief designer made a strange choice. After all the concreting, he left a 6-foot gap right down the dam's center. But first, the impossible problem. The construction site was the bed of a violent, untamed river. The riverbed dried. The solution? Bore 4 giant tunnels through the canyon walls around the site. Block the river with temporary dams and force the flow through the tunnels. The riverbed dried and the battlefield was ready. Tunnel boring machines barely existed, so engineers invented the Jumbo, a truck-mounted rig carrying about 30 compressed air drills at once, punching a grid of dynamite holes. Drill, retreat, blast, clear the rubble, and notice. They saved every broken stone. Those rocks had a second job waiting.
Raw blasted rock hangs dangerously, so every tunnel was lined in concrete, demanded invention, an expandable form machine that unfolded hydraulically inside the tunnel, shaping the side pores,
while pneumatic concrete guns finished the crown overhead. Fold, roll forward, repeat for 18 months, until 4 giant tunnels stood ready.
Remember the saved blast rubble? Here's its second job. Trucks dumped it straight into the river of the tunnels, and as the rock mountain grew taller than the tunnel mouths, the rising water had only one way to go, in.
A second cofferdam sealed the downstream end, and the riverbed between them became a dry construction site.
A dam this size cannot merely sit on ground. It must be gripped by mountains. Both canyon walls were stripped of weak rock and sculpted to fit the dam's exact shape. And beneath, workers dug through 300 feet of riverbed sediment until they touched what every foundation dreams of: solid, unbroken, hard strata.
The dam itself was built like a city of blocks, hundreds of individual columns rising in a staggered, interlocking pattern. Small blocks shed their curing, helped by cooling pipes threaded within.
And watch the delivery. Cable-flown buckets with split-hinged bottoms, dumping each load in seconds. Block by block, the monster grew. Now, the invisible enemy those galleries fight. Water seeping under a dam pushes upward, uplift force, literally trying to float the dam off its foundation. It can lift thousands of tons.
Water reaches the turbines through intake towers standing in the reservoir, feeding penstocks, pressure pipes lined with welded steel plates, because raw rock would erode under such force.